Alright, there's our little chipmunk. He comes and cleans up all the seed that the birds knock down. And if it's not him down there, then usually we see about like a billion squirrels. Now what I'm trying to do is sneak down here and see if my buddy the blue jay comes back. The blue jay is so beautiful, but I just don't know. We have two feeders right here. And we'll see. Hi Belle, you coming down to scare the birdies away? I hear you coming down the stairs. Now there's those two feeders here. There's a birdhouse right there which somebody lives in, and if you look in the back you can see another bamboo birdhouse with like some suet on top. Nobody really touches that. I caught the squirrel eating that the other day, but I haven't really seen any birdies up there except the blue jay, that beautiful blue jay, and I just can't seem to catch him on video. There's that bird with the suet. Oh, Bella came downstairs. I think she scared the birds away because everybody's gone now. Oh, see a squirrel down there. Where is he? There he is. He must have chased the chipmunk away. Oh, I thought that was the blue jay. Hey, somebody knocked the top off of that light. Alright. Let's see. Nobody's out here now. Except for the squirrel. Alright, I'm pausing. I'll be back. Oh, there's somebody. See, they're so messy. They knocked the seed down. They must have a deal cut out with the squirrels. So look at that. Look at how they knock it. They must have some kind of deal. Hey guys, we'll feed you. You guys come down here and eat all this stuff. And look, I broke the light. I guess I gotta go fix that light. I'll chase him away. Alright, no blue jay. I'll try and record something later and see if I can catch him. There's another red, nice, beautiful red cardinal. Oh, there's somebody over there by the suet. Let's go zoom in. He's just hanging on the other side, checking it out. Is he gonna go for it? Is he? Oh, he's going for it. He's trying it. He's like, ooh, this is good stuff. I just saw the bird that lives in the birdhouse come out and get some food right in front of us there. Alright, this is some good shot. Let's back up again. Alright, there's some good activity going on out here. These guys actually cleaned me out. I could probably fill that big feeder empties in about 1 day. The small feeder empties about 1/3 a day, because nobody really big goes there. And then this little guy down here, yeah, he could probably eat the whole thing if he went up there and knocked it down. And him and his buddies, you know. But when he comes around, the chippy monk goes. I don't know what he is. He has a woodpecker look to him, but I'm not sure. I'm not an avid bird watcher, but I like to feed the birds. I don't know all the names of them and everything. Well, we're going on 5 minutes, so I'm sure you guys are bored out of your gourd. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.